Meaning of entirely.
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 Entirely. Entirely means completely or wholly, without any exception or alteration. It suggests a state of being absolute and without any degree of partiality or incompleteness. For example, if someone says they have entirely completed a task, they mean that they have finished it in every respect and there is nothing left to do. Similarly, if something is entirely true, it means there is no chance of it being false or only partially true. Overall, entirely conveys a sense of completeness and absolute certainty, where there is no room for doubt or ambiguity.